understand. I should finally reload. Aw, fuck off with your enemy zone. Zone my ass. Yeah. Where's the bounce division? Where's the bounce division? Here. You guys over here, bitch. You guys over here. I'm trying from the stupid little hill. Oh, this bullshit, bro. I'm fucking this bullshit. Yo. Can you fucking move? Ah, the hell, please. Why were we not even in this stupid little zone? Okay, I don't know what that is, but that's the new kv-2. Fuck you. Yeah, you know what? They can copy my shit. Copy my fame. Fuck off. Shit ass. I see him. Damn it. No, stop goofing around. Hey, stop goofing around, little bitches. Come on, okay. Keep moving around. I think there is smoke and I can see shit. Yo, can you move real quick? Stupid, there is smoke. Here. Fuck you. Look on there. No, he's not there. Okay. Here. That has to be a hit. Okay. Well, we're on 15. But it didn't want to hit. It did not do the thing. That's gonna be the thing. That was cool. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm just gonna cut out the bots from words. Yeah. This makes 100% chance why he should instantly die. I totally get why he didn't die from my 152mm shots. Yeah, I definitely should have aimed a little bit better. Still, like, that totally went like overpressure. Jesus, bro. Okay, fuck you. Right at this poop hole. Enemy tank. Thank you for that beautiful, beautiful kill of yours. There's no one here. Oh, yeah, he's... What? Oh, I got his barrel at least, so... Yeah, I got your barrel, bro. Bang sex. I'm about to move. Boom. Rather this Jesus, bro. His people got so violent that his head popped off. Okay, which one's from dangerous? Probably both, yeah. Okay, that was that. Oh, he's dead, and I'm dead too. Okay, well, at least we have tank sex, so that's a W for me.